The fear gripping the market right now is unlike anything we've seen in a while, and XRP holders are feeling the pressure more than ever. With so much uncertainty surrounding the cryptocurrency space, many are now watching closely as a major short squeeze could be on the horizon. But what does this mean for XRP? For those who may not be familiar, a short squeeze occurs when investors betting against a stock or asset by short selling it are forced to buy back in as the price rises, creating a chain reaction that drives the price even higher. And right now, XRP is sitting in a position where this could happen any moment. The fear in the market is undeniable, and it's creating the perfect conditions for a short squeeze to take place. As more people panic and sell off their positions, others are starting to realize that the time to act could be now. XRP has always been a volatile asset, but the intensity of the fear combined with growing buying pressure could spark a surge in its value in a matter of hours or days. This isn't just another normal market fluctuation. This could be a massive event that flips everything on its head. For XRP holders, this could mean big opportunities, but it also comes with risks. With the market so fragile, it's crucial to understand what's happening and prepare for the potential wave of volatility ahead. The next few days will be critical, and the decisions you make now could impact your portfolio significantly. The countdown is on, and it's time to pay attention as the market braces for what could be a monumental short squeeze. To understand why short squeeze is such a big deal for XRP holders right now, it's important to first grasp what exactly a short squeeze is and how it works. Essentially, short squeeze happens when investors who have bet against an asset by short selling it are forced to buy back in as the price rises, often unexpectedly. This buying frenzy causes the price to shoot up even higher as short sellers rush to cover their positions, which only fuels the surge. The higher the price goes, the more pressure mounts on those who are short, creating a cycle that can quickly spiral out of control. Now, why does this matter for XRP? Currently, there's a significant amount of short interest in XRP, meaning that a large number of investors are betting against its price, hoping it will fall. But if the price starts to rise unexpectedly, those investors will be forced to buy XRP to cover their short positions, which could quickly drive the price up even further. This sudden surge in buying pressure has the potential to create a sharp spike in XRP's value, and we could see a rapid price increase that catches many off guard. In the context of the current market, this could be a game changer. With the combination of high fear, uncertainty, and a high number of shorts, XRP is in a perfect position for a potential squeeze. The moment the buying pressure starts to build, it could send shockwaves through the market, and XRP's price could rise dramatically as short sellers scramble to cover their positions. This is why many traders are keeping a close eye on XRP right now, because the situation could change quickly and those who are paying attention could potentially profit from it. For XRP holders, understanding this process is key. It's not just about watching the price go up or down, it's about knowing the dynamics behind the moves and being ready to act when the time comes. The next few days are crucial for anyone holding XRP, and the potential for a short squeeze makes this an even more critical time to pay attention to the market's movements. Now that we understand how a short squeeze works and why XRP is in a position to potentially experience one, let's take a closer look at why the current market conditions are setting the stage for this to happen sooner rather than later. The fear in the market is palpable, and it's causing a lot of uncertainty, which is exactly what makes the situation so volatile. When fear takes over, people tend to make quick decisions, often selling off their positions in a panic, which creates downward pressure on prices. This downward movement is exactly what short sellers want, and they continue to pile in, betting that the price of XRP will fall further. However, this is where things get interesting. As the market sentiment begins to shift, even a slight change in XRP's price could trigger a massive reaction. Investors who have been betting against XRP might suddenly find themselves in a tight spot if the price starts to rise unexpectedly. As more buyers come in and push the price up, those who are short on XRP will be forced to buy back in to limit their losses, fueling the rise even more. This is the beginning of a short squeeze, and it can happen fast, with prices rising rapidly as more and more short sellers are forced to cover their positions. Right now, XRP is sitting on the edge of this exact scenario. The fear in the market has created the perfect environment for this kind of price movement. It's not just about a random price spike, it's the mechanics of the short squeeze that could make it happen. If buying pressure continues to build and the price rises even slightly, it could send shockwaves through the market, forcing short sellers to act quickly. The result? A surge in XRP's price that could be dramatic. For XRP holders, this means there could be a huge opportunity ahead. If you're holding XRP, now is the time to pay close attention. With the fear gripping the market and the high number of shorts in place, the next few days could be critical. If the squeeze happens, you could see prices rise quickly, and this might be your chance to capitalize on that movement. However, it's also important to remain cautious. The volatility in the market means that while a short squeeze could drive prices up, there's also the risk that things could shift quickly in the opposite direction. The key is to stay informed, monitor the market closely, and be ready to make your move when the time is right. As we approach this potential short squeeze, it's important to understand the impact it could have on XRP's price and what it means for those holding or considering investing in XRP. The most immediate effect of a short squeeze is a rapid increase in price. When short sellers are forced to buy back their positions, the buying pressure can create a sharp upward movement. For XRP, this could mean a significant price surge in a very short period of time. If this happens, XRP holders who are already invested could see their portfolios grow in value as the price climbs. However, this surge won't necessarily last forever. While a short squeeze can drive prices up quickly, the price action following that surge is often volatile. Once the short sellers have covered their positions and the buying pressure subsides, the price could stabilize or even drop back down as traders take profits or sentiment shifts. This is where it gets tricky for investors. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of a sudden price increase, but understanding that the price spike may be temporary is crucial. For some investors, this could be an opportunity to take profits quickly, while for others, it might be a moment to hold and see if the rally continues. On the flip side, if the short squeeze fails to materialize or the buying pressure doesn't build as expected, the market could experience a pullback and XRP's price could fall further. The fear and uncertainty in the market could push people to sell off, further driving down the price, especially if the short sellers decide to double down or if new selling pressure comes into play. This is why it's essential to remain cautious and not get caught up in the hype of a potential squeeze. For XRP holders, the best strategy right now is to be prepared for any scenario. Monitor the market closely, track any signs of increasing buying pressure or changes in sentiment, and be ready to make a decision based on your own investment goals and risk tolerance. Whether you decide to hold through the potential volatility or take profits if the price rises, the key is to remain level-headed and avoid making impulsive decisions. A short squeeze could create significant opportunities, but it could also lead to equally significant risks. The market is unpredictable, so stay informed and be ready for whatever comes next. As we continue to navigate this volatile period, it's essential for XRP holders to understand that while there's potential for a major short squeeze, there are also risks involved. The market is unpredictable, and while a short squeeze can lead to quick price spikes, it can also lead to sudden reversals. A short squeeze might not always play out the way we expect. The buying pressure could fizzle out faster than anticipated, or outside factors could cause the price to drop unexpectedly. With fear and uncertainty hanging over the market, we could see swift shifts in sentiment that could send XRP's price in the opposite direction. Another important factor to consider is